ito hong nangyari sa ginamit yung pera. I would like to tell you the history of Davao. As said by the Secretary of Bradco, they're both classmates. Si Pangarungan pati si Bijaldia. I would like to sabihin ko na wag mong masyadong pakialaman yan. Because as a matter of fact, there is a fund that's set aside to enhance the travel of our brothers and sisters for the pilgrimage to fulfill a lifetime dream. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, maybe a part of my Muslim character says that yung pilgrimage sa Hajj, mas importante yan para sa mga Muslim kaysa isang mansyon. You can forget about the housing there that are being planned by government. But to the individual Muslim believer, 5 mansyon na ibigay ng gobyerno, but a simple token of generosity para makapunta siya, makapag-Hajj. Mas importante sa kanya yan. And sometimes you have to take into consideration really the subculture. May culture man tayo. The Filipino, the Malay culture. But we have a subculture of the different tribes, even in the matter of taste. Yung recipe ng pagkain. Hindi tayo so ganon. Understand that. So I'm asking COA to reconsider ano ba naman yung 5 million. Actually, that 5 million is worth billions in terms of your kind, I said, generosity to finance the poor people na Muslim para makapag-Hajj.